Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how our behavior can be controlled? Can we change our habits? The answer is yes. Behavior modification is a process through which a person's habits and mindset can be improved for the better. In this video series, we will discuss all the concepts related to behavior modification and explore how it can make our lives better. So, let's begin the video. What is behavior modification? Behavior modification means bringing changes to a person's behavior to make it more productive, positive, and adaptive. It is used in psychology to understand and control behavior through specific techniques like reinforcement, rewarding, and punishment. These techniques promote good behavior and reduce undesirable behavior. For example, if someone wants to lose weight, behavior modification can be applied. Initially, the person is rewarded for making healthy food choices, such as eating a salad of fruits instead of their favorite unhealthy foods. Gradually, as the behavior changes, they receive positive reinforcement, like a small treat or self-appreciation. To explain with a real example, a person set a weight loss goal for themselves. At first, they decided on small rewards, like watching a movie or doing their favorite activity after losing every 5 kilograms. This motivated them to gradually improve their eating habits and exercise routine. Their healthy lifestyle choices eventually became part of their daily habits. Behavior modification techniques can also be used for skill learning. For instance, if someone wants to learn a new language, they can be rewarded for putting in consistent effort every day. For example, a person set a goal to learn Spanish. They promised themselves a reward for practicing Spanish for 30 minutes daily, creating a consistent learning habit over time. By implementing such techniques, one can effectively modify their behavior and achieve their goals.
Behavior modification, a powerful psychological technique. So, he will get a weekend trip as a reward. Through this reward system, he continuously learned and improved his fluency. Techniques in behavior modification. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement means giving a reward for good behavior. It motivates the person to repeat the same behavior frequently. For example, if a child is rewarded for performing well in studies, they will continue to perform better. This method is especially effective for children, but adults can also apply it to their habits. Negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement means avoiding a negative outcome by rewarding the person to stop bad behavior. For instance, if someone finishes their work before the deadline, they get the chance to avoid overtime. This means they are rewarded by escaping an unwanted outcome, which has a similar effect to positive reinforcement. Punishment. Punishment means penalizing for incorrect behavior. This method is used to stop undesirable behavior. For example, if a child is lazy with their studies and doesn't complete their homework on time, their punishment could be taking away their favorite activity, like playing video games. This motivates the child to adopt good behavior to avoid negative outcomes. Behavior modification in the workplace. Behavior modification techniques can also be applied in the workplace. Suppose an employee needs to improve punctuality. Here, the positive reinforcement technique can be applied. For example, every time they arrive on time, they receive appreciation or some reward. This develops the habit of punctuality in the employee. Psychological theories behind behavior modification. Operant conditioning theory. This theory states that behavior can be modified through reinforcement or punishment. According to this theory, a behavior is repeated when it results in a positive outcome and is changed when it leads to a negative outcome. Classical conditioning theory.
Behavior modification through punishment. According to this theory, behavior can be modified through punishment. When a behavior results in a positive outcome, it is repeated, and when it results in a negative outcome, the behavior changes. Classical conditioning. This theory suggests that behavior is influenced by unconscious stimuli. For example, in Pavlov's experiment, dogs salivated upon hearing the sound of a bell, which was a conditioned response. Similarly, in behavior modification, we associate a behavior with a new stimulus to form a new behavior. Behavior modification in personal life. Behavior modification can be very helpful in your personal life as well. For instance, if you want to overcome the habit of procrastination, you can change your daily routine. Initially, you can reward yourself for completing small tasks, like taking a 30-minute break as a reward. Gradually, this can reduce your habit of procrastination. Conclusion: behavior modification is not just a psychological technique, it is a part of our daily life. By using it correctly, we can bring significant changes to our habits and mentality. Whether it's weight loss, learning new skills, or stopping procrastination, behavior modification can help in every area. So, the next time you think about changing your behavior, remember that with the right techniques, you can completely transform your life. That's the power of behavior modification. For more videos, subscribe to the channel right now and make this video your WhatsApp status today.